Nei. Du må nesten ja. Sånn
I really like the floor.
catering er liksom det som folk satser på når det er
And these lights are really cool because we can use them and candles. And maybe some lights here. And this is the piano. So yeah. I'll go to the... This is what I showed you from the outside. And this is the entrance. Yeah. I haven't been here yet. I guess this is the gift room or some chairs. Maybe we can have coffee here. I don't know. And if it's warm, people can walk out here. Lights. There's a lot of lighting here, so I really don't know if we need to rent more. Round table? Not round table. This is ugly chairs, so we have to do something with this. Or just don't use them, I don't know. And here, what is this? Maybe we can use this as the, I don't know, gift room? Yeah, because then this can be the coffee room. It's big. Or not coffee, I don't know, whatever. We can use it. This is the kitchen. I haven't been here. American fridge. Another fridge. That's good. And here. It's kind of big. Bigger than I thought. And now we're out there again. There was just one room that I missed. I have to check that. Oh yeah, it's just we come out here again. Bathroom. It's not really nice, but we can make it look nice. Another bathroom. What is this? Oh, it was nothing. And then we come out here again.